You know, the online e-commerce industry is a massive $9 trillion market. But here's the kicker. Most people find it tough to actually make money with eCom. Why? Well, getting your online store up and running takes a ton of time and cash. But there's actually a much simpler way to do it. Just set up an eCom funnel that focuses on one product or just a few. When you go this route, the results are awesome, and you can start making money today. Great news! There's an awesome new AI app that can build super profitable eCom funnels loaded with hot winning products, all from just a single keyword. And the best part? You don't need to spend big on Shopify or bother with setting up your own store. Meet KartFLOW. KartFLOW is a next-gen app that builds highly profitable eCom funnels preloaded with hundreds of winning products using just a keyword and convert 10x more than regular e-commerce stores like Shopify, Amazon, and eBay. It's incredibly easy to set up, requiring absolutely no technical expertise. Imagine having your first sales funnel operational in just 2 hours. You could make your very first e-commerce sale today. Whether you're starting from scratch or already have an existing store, this system seamlessly integrates with your needs. Best of all, everything is done for you, ensuring a hassle-free experience from start to finish. KartFLOW can do much more amazing things. KartFLOW's AI copywriter creates high-converting copy for product descriptions, headlines, and subheadings, taking the burden of writing off your shoulders. KartFLOW includes pre-made email templates that you can use to connect with your customers and promote your products. Auto-fulfill orders easily from a single dashboard. In one click, you can move orders from successful to fulfilled once you've actually fulfilled them, so that every order is neatly tracked and processed. Create awesome design templates to fit with any kind of product, set prices for that, and users able to use it with one click. More than 100 plus pre-made sections allowing you to build your eCom funnels super fast. Pixels integration. Integrate Facebook pixels to your funnel and retarget customers that abandoned cart. Product and order management. Easily manage all your products, add, edit, delete, and orders from a single dashboard. Express checkout technology to collect payments and process orders with top merchants. Easy drag and drop page builder to create stunning sales pages for eCom products. Autoresponder integration. KartFLOW integrates with top R like GetResponse, Aweber, Accelemail, and HTML forms to build leads and buyer lists. Social share buttons for free traffic. Instant eCom funnels have traffic built in via the social share buttons that appear on all pages of your eCom funnels. This is particularly useful to generate free viral traffic on demand. Multi-languages. KartFLOW supports language switching. All languages were controlled and translated automatically from the admin panel, and you can put your translated text there. And here's the coolest part. KartFLOW lets you whip up super profitable eCom funnels in just 3 clicks. Click 1. Ask. Just pop in any keyword to pick a niche or topic, or if you're stumped, let KartFLOW's AI handle it for you. Click 2. Generate. The AI will churn out awesome eCom funnels packed with products, images, and ready-to-go sales copy, sales pages, upsells, and thank you pages, all with one click. Click 3. Profit. Hit the button on a one-click AI traffic generator to launch your funnel and watch as traffic and sales pour in. You gotta check this out. Transform your e-commerce game by signing up for KartFLOW today and start creating a killer funnel that boosts your profits. The future of online selling is here, so grab it before your competitors do. Click the link below to see KartFLOW in action right now.